I built both of my new studio lights by myself, and I feel like that Kim Kardashian meme.
You must believe in something. You gotta believe something.
Hi guys, it's Lexie. It's raining right now in Texas, which is kind of weird, but I'm very excited to be filming today's video. It is going to be a super collective kind of online store try-on haul, and I have a lot of cute and cheap and incredible clothes to show you guys, so I'm excited to film this video and I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you go get a snack because it may be a rather long video, but it'll be worth it. And if you're looking for some snack ideas, I recommend apples and peanut butter. I feel like you can never go wrong with that. And I wanted to give a quick little shout out to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. I don't even have to talk about them much because you guys already know how much I love Poshmark. I always link them in the description of this video, so make sure you go check out that link and sign up and create a closet for free. Basically, you can list any old clothes or clothes you got and just never ended up wearing on there to try and make some extra money, and it really works. I have made a lot of money just selling stuff that would have gone unworn anyways, so if you want to shop my closet on there, it's at It's Me Lexie 1, and just a few things that I have for sale in there. I have a lot more, but I just wanted to highlight a few. I have this brand new floral bomber jacket, still has tags attached. This really kind of like Coachella vibe pair of denim shorts with daisies embroidered all on them. As you can tell, I really like floral. This simple strappy white crop top that also has tags attached. All of these things are brand new, and I think this would actually be a really cute outfit together. So yeah, you can get tons of outfit inspiration on there, get clothes for cheap. You can even find thrifted things. It's incredible. I highly recommend it. You can find a lot of top brands on there like Nike, Adidas, Michael Kors. It's pretty much any brand that exists is on there. And here's a little peek of my closet, just a few more of the items you can find, and then the app in general. If you download it and make a closet, comment your username down below so I can follow you back and we can like shop each other's closets like virtually. It's super cool. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So there are a total of 4 online stores in this haul, and I'm going to start out with ZAFUL because they really came through, hooked it up. Like, I was a little overwhelmed when I first received this box because I don't think you guys understand, like, this box is overflowing with clothes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start going through it. First thing is a little out of my comfort zone, but it is a super bright, super colorful knit sweater, and I really love the way it looks. It's super oversized and a very chunky knit sweater, but it would provide a lot of warmth in the winter time. I don't know why I got so many sweaters when winter is about to end, but you know, you can kind of eat whatever you want and like it doesn't matter, it just holds it all in. It's just super bright and happy, and I don't normally wear a lot of color, but for some reason I really just loved this sweater. Next thing I got is a little tank top, and it's plaid. And when I first saw this print, it kind of reminded me of something you would eat a picnic on, so I'm not totally sure, but I saw it on the model and I really liked how it looked, and it has adjustable straps and feels like really good quality. So I think that with some jeans and maybe like a knit cardigan over it, this would be a cute outfit. I'm basically just going top to bottom through this package, so things are in no specific order. The next thing is a 2-piece set, but not just any typical 2-piece set, it's kind of bougie. The top is this pleated yellow tank top, it's kind of transparent, and then the pants are a green, black, and yellow palazzo pant thing. They're really long, really loose, and I really liked the way this looked together. I haven't tried any of these things on yet, but I will see. I'm hoping this would fit. I really like this. I feel like it looks kind of like business casual, because when people say to dress business casual, I have no idea what that means, but like, I kind of picture this business casual. I could be totally off. My brother is leaving right now, so you can hear the car, but I don't really feel like waiting. So the next thing, wow, like Wrinkletown population, this jumpsuit, but it's okay. Once it meets an iron, it will be beautiful. I love this color. Even though it like has pants, it wouldn't be too hot to wear in the summer. I'm hoping that it fits me as well as like the customer's pictures did. Sorry, I don't know what's happening to me. It's like as senior year goes on, I become more and more illiterate, so yeah, you'll just have to deal with that. And then I got another sweater. This one is turtleneck, I believe. Wait a second, this is not a turtleneck sweater. This is an off-the-shoulder sweater, so I think you're supposed to fold this part down and then just like wear it off the shoulder with a bralette or something. It's really hard to visualize right now, but you will see what it looks like actually on a person. I don't know what I'm saying either. Then I got a jacket, hoodie thing, and it's green, yellow, and red. I thought it looked really cool, and this feels like amazing quality, which you wouldn't really expect from a website where everything's like $2, but it actually does feel really durable and nice. And look, there's like a quality lining on the inside too. I was just very drawn to it. Like, it was the first thing I saw on the website. Next, I got a pair of white striped pants, and they are very long and palazzo style, and they also come with a little belt thing that you can loop around. White pants are very ambitious, especially if you are a female and you never know when your period's gonna hit you, you know, just being real. I would have to be like super safe when I wear these, but I really like them. I thought they looked kind of like high class fashion. I don't really know what I'm trying to say. Then I got this sports bra, and it's kind of weird because it feels like swimsuit material, but it might just be like neoprene. But yeah, there's not much to say about it. It's just a sports bra. It crisscrosses in the back, and it has this stretchy like workout style band. These pants are kind of crazy. Like I said, I kind of went out of my comfort zone in this haul, but they are just colorful striped pants. Once again, I think they flare at the bottom, but they're more form-fitting around your waist and your butt. So yeah, they looked really flattering on the model, and I think this would go good with just a plain like kind of black crop style shirt. I don't know why these pants kind of smell like chemicals. Hopefully they're safe. I actually got these in a size large because the measurements for like pants in Asia run so small, but these might be a little tad big, but you know, that's okay, room to grow. And they look like your normal pair of blue jeans, except they have these patches on like the knees. They're a little out there, but I just wanted something different. This next piece, I am positive my entire family will hate and despise me for wearing, but it just says no problem, no problemo on it, and has a lot of rips all over the sleeves and along the bottom. They hate when I buy ripped clothes. They're just like, ah, did you fall? Or what happened? Did you get those half off with all the rips in it? Like, you know, all the jokes that people make when you wear ripped stuff. But I think this would look really good with a pair of black leggings and some boots, and I just have a whole vision for it. And I got 2 pairs of earrings from ZAFUL. The first one I'm actually wearing right now. I don't know if you can see it very well. They're probably getting twisted in my hair, but they are silver star hoop earrings, and I have been wanting a pair of earrings like this for so long, and they're super cute, very lightweight. I hate those earrings that like weigh your ears down and feel like death, so these don't feel like that, and they were only like $2. So I'll update you guys if they like turn my skin green, but I don't think they will. And then I also got this gold pair of earrings that are just like hands. You can see like all the fingers, and these don't feel super heavy either, but they are heavier than these. If you're looking for like super cute hoop earrings or just like dangly earrings, ZAFUL is the place to go. And yeah, that is actually everything from ZAFUL. Thank you so much for all of these generous items. I really appreciate it, and I cannot wait to start to style these. Okay, these next items are either from Runway or Shein. I'm honestly not 100% sure. I think there's a conspiracy theory that they're the same brand, but we're gonna go ahead and just open them. I'll have everything linked down below and where it's from, because right now I'm just not too sure. I actually don't remember ordering this, but this first thing is like a charcoal gray colored high neck top, and actually I do remember ordering this now that I think about it. And I thought this would just go perfectly with so many things, like just tucked into a pair of high-waisted jeans and then styled in a million different ways. I just wanted a basic like this. Every time I hold up something black, my camera lighting goes so weird. And then I got another sweater, and I love this color, but I feel like this color doesn't love me. I've been wearing a lot of this color. I don't know if it's the most flattering on me, but it's cute regardless. It reminded me of Tommy Hilfiger. We're gonna see how this goes. Feels really soft, really comfortable, not itchy at all, and that's kind of like my #1 priority when it comes to getting sweaters. And then I got this sweater, which is also a similar kind of dark bluish, but also like charcoal gray color, and it has a knot tied either in the front or the back. I think you can wear it either way, and I have like a nude kind of brownish one like this that I love, so I just decided to pick it up in this color as well, and I think this is from Runway. Okay, yes, now I know these items are from Shein. So look at all the noise this thing makes. It is a windbreaker, and never really had one before just because, like I said, it doesn't really rain much where I live, but it's been raining a little bit more lately, and you know, it doesn't have to rain to wear this. I like that it's super lightweight, and you can definitely wear it on a hot summer day as well as during like the spring and late winter months. So it's just black and white and has a zipper down the middle. It makes me feel like one of those like Instagram baddies who would like pose in the little Nike Adidas sweatshirts, except no, this is Shein. Then I got this lace v-neck sweatshirt, and I knew it was v-neck, but it's very v-neck, kind of a little more than I expected it to be. Yeah, I'm not sure if this will work for me because there's not much going on up here, but maybe if I like style it like off the shoulder with a bralette or something, it could be cute. The model looked so good on it, but like, life tip, don't base the stuff you buy online off of the model. And then finally I got this black pair of striped elastic waist pants, and I love the feeling of elastic waist pants. Having to like zip yourself up into a pair of pants is just like no bueno. I'm not a fan. So yeah, these are exactly down my alley, and as you can tell, I've been getting a lot of striped pants. That's kind of like a reoccurring theme of this haul. I feel like there's a million different ways you could style it. I kind of feel like it would go good with this top that I'm wearing right now. And then the final store of this haul is xoxo's. Haven't ordered from there in a hot minute. The first thing I'm wearing from there is the first thing that I got from there, I'm actually wearing right now. There we go. That's a sentence. And it's a, what color is this? There's an exact name for this color. It's slipping my mind. I'll put it right here if I can think of it. But I really like this color, and this is just a nice kind of, I think it's supposed to be off the shoulder top, but I'm kind of wearing it more on the shoulder. And then I also got a bomber jacket from there. I kind of have an issue. I really like the way bomber jackets look. I find a ton of cute ones and then I'll buy them and never end up wearing them, which is why I have that one that I really like but don't wear listed on my Poshmark. But this one is so different and so unique and just really called my name that I'm going to force myself to find a way to wear it. It's an army green color, which I love, and look at this. It has cherry blossom petals all over the front. Look at this. It has a volcano, a Japanese cherry blossom tree. It says Sakura, and how can you not like love this piece, or at least think it's just cool to look at? Like, this is a piece, like if I saw someone wearing it, I'd be like, wow, that's cool. I wonder where they got it. Well, guess what? It was from xoxo's. It's also kind of heavy, so it would probably be best for a colder day, but like I said, I will make that work. 80 degrees? What? No. So those were all of the items in this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. I have such a huge mess around me right now. It's gonna be a task in itself just to try on these items, but I'm doing it for you guys. And like I said, all of the links will be down below, as well as the link to Poshmark, which I highly recommend downloading. If any of these items don't work out or don't fit, or just I change my mind about, I'll probably list them on there, and you guys can go ahead and shop my closet, and I can shop yours as well, and it'll just be a fun old time. Make sure you let me know what your username is down below so you can check it out. It's totally free to download. I don't know if I mentioned that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Spring break's coming up, so maybe that's what I'll title this haul. I don't even know what I'm going to title this haul yet, but feel free to subscribe if you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I want to know what you think. I want to interact with you guys, so I will see you next week hopefully, and yeah, that's going to be it. So bye. Drop down and put your ego on. You know, we could stare up at the stars and put the Beatles on. I've been watching Devin Lee Carlson's vlogs all morning. I'm so dehydrated. Do you ever like film a video for like an hour or so, and then you're too distracted filming the video that you don't drink any water, and then you kind of feel like death after? Because that's where I'm at right now.